What? Smoke detector. It's going faulty, so I'm gonna kill the breaker to it. Yeah, that's what's going on. Breaker.